Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs Nirmala Sitharaman on Thursday virtually launched Central Scrutiny Centre, an initiative of Corporate Affairs Ministry to scrutinize the filings by users under straight-through processes. The Finance Minister also launched the mobile app of Investor Education and Protection Fund Authority. The two initiatives aim to strengthen Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of digitally empowered India. The objective behind the launch of CSC is to ensure that data quality is uncompromised and free from flaws, Sitharaman said. Bill Gates has predicted that the world will be completely back to normal by the end of 2022, overcoming the COVID-19 pandemic. Stressing that the pandemic has been an incredible tragedy, the Microsoft co-founder and philanthropist has heightened hopes that the virus could be brought to bay across the world in less than 2 years. He added that the only good news during these stressful times was the access to coronavirus vaccines. The second wave of COVID-19 cases in India can last up to 100 days from February 15, and the total cases in the country are expected in the order of 25 lakh, a research report by the State Bank of India has said. India is witnessing a second wave of infections from February, with daily new cases and daily tests rising again. Considering the number of days from the current level of daily new cases to the peak level during the first wave, India might reach the peak in the second half of April, the report prepared by the bank's Economic Research Department has said. Apple co-founder Steve Jobs' job application letter, which was filed almost 50 years ago in 1973, was put up for auction on Wednesday and sold for a whopping £162,000. Auction website Charterfields had put up Jobs' first job application letter for auction. The single-page job application letter was handwritten by Steve Jobs. The letter does not mention which position Jobs was applying for or the name of the company it was sent to. The document was reportedly the first job application filed by the Apple CEO, according to India Today. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari on Thursday said that the centre is working on a proposal to build a double-decker flyover in Steel City, Jamshedpur to reduce traffic congestion in the city. Replying to a query from Jamshedpur MP Bidyut Baran Mahato during the question hour in Lok Sabha, Gadkari also said the total toll collection on national highways is expected to reach Rs 34,000 crore in the financial year ending March 31, 2021, despite farmers' protests on some highways.